What's the meaning of benevolent? Benevolent. Benevolent.
Benevolent. Benevolent. Benevolent is an adjective that describes a person or organization that is kind, good-natured, and caring towards others. A benevolent individual has a desire to do good and be of service to others, often showing kindness, generosity, and compassion in their actions. Such individuals are often highly respected and admired for their altruistic behavior and their willingness to give without the expectation of receiving anything in return. A benevolent organization may dedicate itself to helping individuals or communities in need. In general, being benevolent involves acting with a sense of empathy and understanding, and seeking to make a positive impact on the world around us.